Good day. I'm Subhashini Anaparampar Mohanasundram, and today I will be presenting my project, AI driven intelligent monitoring dashboard for badminton injury predictions. So now let we take a look on the background studies of my project. So badminton is one of the most physically demanding sport in Malaysia. Players perform rapid lunges, jumps, and twists, often leading to overuse injury. In Malaysia, our top athletes have been forced to withdraw from tournaments due to preventable injuries. Traditional assessments are reactive, with missing early warning sign. Therefore, here I'm introducing my solution, which is aims to transform injury monitoring from reactive to proactive using AI. So why do athletes still get injured in 2025? Manual assessment are just subjective. No real-time biomechanical feedback. Coaches are lack AI-based early detection. And lastly, injury and performance data is scattered. So, manual processes delay in predicting the injuries. It's lead to high risk. That's where my AI-powered dashboard comes in. So there are three main objectives of my studies, which are AI power system, to develop an AI power system integrating computer vision for real-time injury risk reduction, interactive dashboard to create a centralized dashboard for visualizing athlete performance metric and injury risk, and lastly, real-time notification. Provide real-time alerts and personalized recommendation for proactive intervention. So for the novelty and uniqueness, we do have the post estimation with MediaPipe. MediaPipe is a computer vision software tool where we are analyzing the movement of the athlete, which is very critical for every athlete. From the movement itself, we will predict is there any chance for injury or not. So next is the dashboard with athlete alerts and report. And lastly, AI model for injury prediction. So this model will work on the to predict injury among our athlete. So this is my user interface design. First, we do have the athlete dashboard. In the athlete dashboard, we will have the live movement analysis. Then we have the historical trends over the time. So based on the movement analysis, it will give us some insights on the recommendation exercises and risk assessment and risk metrics. So next is the for the coach interface, which is if the coach log in into the system, they will see a dashboard which is they have the AI generated recommendation, recent athlete activity, tourist training sessions based on the activities record under them. So, what is the benefit to the intent user and society? First, it athletes. Promote equality by making professional level injury prevention accessible to athletes at all economic level. Next is extend athletic careers and sustain performance longevity. Lastly, reduce medical waste from preventable injury and treatment. Next is coach. Create sustainable talent development to reduce injury related dropout. Promotes equity by standardizing injury monitoring regardless of team resources. Lastly, enables data driven coaching decision for all team regardless of budget. So this is the commercialization potential, which is for the market. We do have the local sport councils, which is MSN, Majlis Sukan Negara, BAM, Badminton Association of Malaysia, universities and IPTs with sports science program, grassroots sport clubs and high performance content. Next is scalable low cost solution. And lastly, for the future opportunity, we have the extendable to football, football athletes via AI model retraining, potential integration with wearable sensor for athlete sports, and lastly, SaaS subscription model for real-time national athlete monitoring. So these are the award and recognitions of my project. So first is I win a champion of Engineering 2025 and I get two silver medals in IEF 2025 and Innovex 2025. So lastly, for the conclusion, my project, my system will be reduce injury risk by up to 20%, empowers coaches and athletes with real-time insight, scalable to multiple sport and training environment, designed for Malaysian badminton athletes from grassroots to elite. So that's all from me. Thank you for listening.